Yo, YouTube, what's up? Tech King Mike back with another video. And yes, man, we got another case video on deck for you guys. This one is going to be for all of my people out there that work in environments like myself, where you're outdoors all day, you're subject to the environments, and you want your phone to be in the most protective case that it can be in. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Otterbox Defender Series Pro on deck. Now, this is the big boy, bad boy case that you can get for your phone when it comes to the utmost protection from Otterbox, and this is going to be the best one that in my opinion. Now, there are other cases out there that you can get, like a waterproof style case, but this is going to be the best in my opinion. This is the industry standard. You can't go wrong with an Otterbox. So what do you get with an Otterbox? You get 4 times tested for military standard with lasting antimicrobial case protection, made with more than 50% recycled plastic. So when you flip it around, you see your wireless charging compatible, outlast heavy use, multi-layer defense, and your holster has a kickstand. 4 times as many drops as military standard. So like I said, this is the big boy, man. This is the one you don't want to play around with. So let's go ahead and pop this case open and just slide it right on out there. And as you can see, there's a little bit of branding inside. You got a little, you know, terms and conditions and everything, because one of the best things about Otterbox is that Otterbox has a nice warranty where, let's say that you have an issue with your case and you need to get it replaced, man. Lifetime warranty on this thing means that you can literally go on Otterbox's website, fill out a form with your receipt and everything showing your proof of purchase, and you can literally get one sent to you, man. So it's a really nice feature to have, to know that you've got some peace of mind in case anything happens to this case. Now, let's take a look at what you get before we pop it on here. Now, this is going to be the case in its whole. So you have a nice belt clip holster here, 360-degree rotation on your belt clip holster. Now, you can wear it that way, or you can do it, you know, vertically. It all depends on you. One thing that I do like about this style of case and this style versus the S21 Ultra Otterbox is that this one can be put in the case in any way. So let's say you put it in like this, or you can put it in like this. There is no difference in the way. Now with the S21 Ultra, you had to put it in one way every time, and it was just really awkward. So let's go ahead and take this off. We'll put the kickstand right over here, the holster to the side for now. And let's go ahead and show you how you're going to get inside of the case. Now, this is going to have some nice padding on the inside here, as you can see, to cushion the phone. But this is a 2-piece case. So this is going to be a nice rubber outer sleeve around this hard inner plastic. And then what you'll do is you'll just pop these clips off right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have a total of 6, maybe 7, I might have miscounted, but it looks like you got a total of 6 case clips that hold it in place. So now you'll take your phone, right, and you'll put it inside here, and then you'll take this part right here and you'll just line it back up here at the top. And let's count together and make sure I got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So I was about to say 7, but I think it's only 6. So you'll pop it in and seal the phone in like that, and then you will add your nice extra layer of protection here. Now, this is going to be the part that's going to help the phone when it comes to massive drops. This is going to help keep the phone protected, and this is going to what basically makes the Otterbox the Otterbox. Now, you've got a flap down here for your charging port, so you keep dust out of that. You also got your S Pen as accessible, good to go right there. And you got a nice power button over here, volume up and down, real clicky, as you can hear. Plenty of protection for the camera. As you can see how recessed the camera is in there. Plenty of protection for the camera. If you want to get a camera protector, I'm sure it'll accommodate that just fine. Otterbox logo down here at the bottom. And this is just going to be a really rugged case. Now, this is definitely going to make an already big phone even bigger. But you can't go wrong with this case, man. You really can't. Now, one of the reasons why I always say that I think this is good for people who do outdoor work like myself is with this case holster right here. So pop that in. And as you can see, now you've got a nice holster put on your belt so your phone is good and protected. And like I said, you can either use it like that or you can use it like this, whichever floats your boat. And one of the beautiful things about it is, let's say you're on your lunch break, or let's say you're just here at home relaxing and you just want to look at something on your phone. Pop it in backwards, flip that up, and now you've got a kickstand, so you can literally watch content on the phone with the built-in kickstand on this case that you just bought. So this is the Otterbox Defender Pro for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Again, this is one of my favorite heavy-duty rugged style cases, drop protection cases. You can't go wrong with this case. If you're interested in picking one up, there will be a link down below in the description. But once again, my name is Tech King Mike. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below and let me know, what do you think of Otterbox cases, man? These are some of my favorite. Shout out to the Dad Clip Gang. You know who you are. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.